Hi, my name's Kelly Mather. I took first in class and second overall, and I want to thank Snore.
Madam Householder, I drove Class 1 at Ridgecrest. We ended up second, third overall. It was a fun race. My dad drove the first half, I drove the second. He had a few flats out of the beginning. Other than that, we had a good race. We'll come back for the next one.
So this is Roger Starkey, car 1067 out here at the Snore Pci 300 at Ridgecrest, California. We just got done. We took first in Class 10 today. We started second and had no problems, no flats at all. Super rough course. I think we ended up about fourth overall. We had about 20-minute lead going into our fourth lap. So I got out and my dad got in and did the last final lap and took it home to the finish.
Thank you, Snore. We finished. I think we're third, it looks like. It was a long day. Lost a belt on the first lap, and then my dad drove the first 3 laps and he hit a big rock and messed up the linkage for the shifter, so it took us a while to get that fixed, but we finished, so that's all that matters.
I'm Blaine Conrad. I just won the PCI race radios 300 Snore race in Class 1600.
Bree Cloud. I raced 1300, 1336. We're out here at Ridgecrest this weekend. We had a pretty solid lap all the way until mile marker 30. Got out and found our air filter was off, so our carburetor was just clogged with dirt. Every time we cleaned it out, tried to get going, and every time it came back, it just fell on his face. So we got her in. It was a long day out there, but it was pretty fun.